Hey everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to take the derivative of a natural log. So in this case here we're going to deal with y is equal to the natural log of x. We'll start with a nice easy one just to kind of see how this works. And just like we've done in a few of the other cases, we're going to have to manipulate this equation in such a way so that we know how to take the derivative. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to make both sides base e. So I'm going to say e to the y is equal to e raised to the natural log of x. And I know that e to the natural log of x is simply just going to simplify to be x. So really what we have now is e to the y power is equal to x. And what we're going to do here is we're going to just take the derivative of both sides with respect to x. So d dx of e to the y is going to equal d dx of x. And from here, remember we know from a previous lesson that e to the y is really going to be its own derivative. So the left side, we're simply going to get e to the y dy dx is going to equal 1. So in order to get dy dx by itself, we're going to have to divide by e to the y. So we'll say that dy dx is equal to 1 over e to the y. But again, I always want my derivative to be in terms of x if I can. So I know that e to the y was really just going to be x, right? We found that right here. This equation was just e to the y equals x. So I can go ahead and replace e to the y with x. So we can say now that dy dx is simply equal to 1 over x in this case here. So this gives us another one of these rules that we can kind of commit to memory and hopefully use again in the future. So we can say now that the derivative with respect to x of the natural log of some differentiable function u is equal to 1 over u times the derivative of u with respect to x. So what does this look like now then? Let's try to actually do an example of this. So let's say that we have we want to take the derivative with respect to x of the natural log of, we'll say, 4x cubed. Okay. Well, in order to do this, it's simply going to be 1 over u, so in this case 1 over 4x cubed, times the derivative of u. So the derivative of that 4x cubed would be 12x squared. So if we go ahead and simplify that out, what this would really come out to is 12x squared over 4x cubed, which would really just equal 3 over x. So that would be our derivative of this function here, ln of 4x cubed. So I hope this video helps. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next video.